What's up guys, Zoe Hopper here with another plant video for you. Today we're talking about 5 benefits on why you want to propagate your plants. Alright, so benefit number 1 is obviously you want to save money. If you're like me, any opportunity where you can save a few dollars, we're here for it. So propagating your plants is definitely one way to increase the collection, and you don't have to go out and buy a plant every time you want some new greenery in your space. I'll even go down to my mom's house here and there and get a trimming off of some of her plants, put it in some water, a few weeks later it's ready to pot. Benefit number 2 to propagating your plants is to share the love. So gift giving means a lot to me. I put a lot of time and effort into gift giving, especially for the people that I love. It's definitely one of my love languages. And so what I've learned is that people really appreciate houseplants as gifts. So if you know you have a gift to get for someone coming up, you propagate for a few weeks, you can gift it to them in water, or you can go ahead and put it in a nice pot for them as a nice gift. Benefit number 3 to propagating your plants is it actually can promote growth within the parent plant. I kind of call it the parent plant, the one that you trim off of. So you'll notice that your leaves will start to get bigger and your plant will grow and thrive once you're propagating on it pretty regularly. Benefit number 4 to propagating your plant is to just keep a dying plant alive. So if you notice you've tried changing your soil or repotting your plant, or maybe you've overwatered it and things just aren't going in the right direction, try taking a clipping or 2 or 3 and propagating it, because even if that parent plant doesn't make it, maybe you can keep it going with those trimmings. And my 5th and final benefit for propagating your plant is it can create some cool aesthetic and decor around the house. So I have a propagation station like this that I keep in my kitchen windowsill. I found these little cool jar things that I put some water in. I believe they're my wife's. Don't tell her that I took those. But yeah, I think that it's a cool way to kind of create a cool vibe around your house. A lot of plants can thrive in water, so it's not even just to get a good root going. It can be the look that you're going for as well. So there you have it. Those are my 5 benefits to start propagating your plants today. Leave a comment if you can think of other benefits that there are to propagating the plants, just to keep the conversation going. All right, y'all, until next time, peace.